Hi, today in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the important process which takes place in the DBMS, database management system. Right, in the previous video, we already discussed about the various subsystem and also the BPOs and KPOs and what do you mean by DSS, all these things. In this video, I'm going to explain you about the what is the purpose of data mining and how it is applied in various sectors for what purpose. Right. So here in this video, I'm going to talk about data mining. As you all know about what you mean by DBMS. DBMS is database management system, right? Of course. And another thing is the data warehouse. Right. You all know DBMS is one of the right storage where we can able to store the data in an effective way, right? And it can be managed with those data for various purpose with adapting with the or integrating with the technology. Similarly, data warehouse where you can able to store n number of data which is collected from the multiple sources. Now, with the help of these two things like DBMS and data warehouse, right? It is not like every times we can work with the multiple data sets because we may be working towards with specific purpose, and also we may be working in a particular department. So when database is shared from the central database, right, and or from the admin, we cannot able to work with the entire data because so my responsibility, my work towards this is deal with the customer details, right, or the clients, or tracking the sales and other details, or just collecting information about which are the product as in demand. So like that, we can say that we are working a different phase, not with all the time, not with the same kind of a database or multiple database. So now, so I have a data, the company has the database. It has a huge volume of data, right, in the DVMS or the database. Now I want to take only a few set of data which will be helpful for my department activity, my functional unit. So what I need to involve, what I need to deal. So in that aspect, there is a one important techniques called a data mining techniques. Right, the name itself indicates a data mining. Of course, mining is like what? It's a process of extraction. So you need to keep on extracting the things which is digging, right? Coal, for example, if you take mining, right, right, coal or all these things, all these minerals are which is digged in the ground, and we keep on extracting, keep on doing a mining process. So we'll come to know that there are different kinds of natural resources are available in the earth. Similarly, if you are undergoing a extraction process or techniques from the in the huge database, the huge volume of database, right? And taking only a few data which is helpful for your department purpose or your functional purpose, that is called as a data mining. So there is another name called knowledge discovery database. That means if you are keep on extracting the data from the database, right, you will come to know about the new details, new data, new information, right? Sometimes it may be hidden, it may not be known, right? So it's a kind of a knowledge discovery process in the database. And it is one of the latest technology as well as very effective technology used by most of the companies nowadays. Because of course, you all know whenever you are visiting any companies or whenever you are giving any details in your app or in any website or anything, right? The major thing is you are giving your details in terms of giving your name, mobile number, and other details, right? It is helpful for the companies to track and also know about, right, how we can able to keep touch with the customers follow up. So it's one of the new technologies which is new to the companies for a various purpose. So it's a very helpful for the companies, right, in terms of finding the customers, in terms of following up them, giving a feedback, tracking them, all those. So it is one of the main process of discovering the data. Right? That means data in the sense is you're discovering the knowledge, information which is hidden in the database. So with the help of that, you are able to explore the data and unknown things also. So this is a major things about what is called a data mining. Now there are many techniques other than data mining, right? So like we have a classification techniques are there, navies based techniques are there, right? Decision trees are there. So these are the various techniques used by the company exclusive for extracting the data according to their business software. It is not like in every company they are using a classification techniques. They are using a market basket analysis technique. It's not like that. So by using this, we can able to understand that what are the informations they need for their purpose. Right. For example, if you want to know about say, which combination of product right has a very demand in the market, right, you can apply one of the data mining techniques called market basket analysis. So when the people are buying a product A, right, which product, right, they are buying along with the product A, right? So it may be, for example, if the companies, if the customers are buying a bread, right, automatically, if you are buying a bread, automatically customers has to buy water, a jam, right? So this two combination has a very good demand. So if they are buying a product A, it's mandatory for the customers to buy a product B also, which is a product which is need a combination. So now they apply this market basket analysis to know about the demand, right, of this particular product, which one they are buying along with the which product, so that this they will improve the sales or they will increase the demand for the particular product. So this kind of things can helpful for them to extract the data and they can able to generate the reports by using data mining techniques. All right. The next thing is we'll discuss about how it is used in the different field. Now see, I have given you the example. So applications. What are the major applications of data mining? So if you say retail as well as marketing, of course, every company is right. Whenever you are going to supermarkets, whenever you are going to hypermarket or any companies you are visiting, any malls, any public places, anywhere, right? Want to know about the details of you. And through the billing, they'll identify that which are things that you are buying, which products you're buying, from which brand you are buying. Right. Similarly, banking sectors. They can able to detect right who are the customers, who are the loyal customer, right? What is the account, how much you are maintaining in the accounts, and apart from accounts, what are the other facilities, other service you uh, got from the banking, like whether you got the credit card facilities, or loan facilities, insurance facilities, right? How many you are transacting every day, right? How many money you got. All this is can be done, right, and can be analyzed with the data available in the banking sectors, right? It can be monitored by the companies also. Third one is right insurance and healthcare. Of course, right. There is a one important analysis called the claims analysis. That means you can able to claim right the medical procedures. You can able to understand right what will come next. What is the procedure they will follow if this is the condition. They can able to predict right, and also they can able to identify the behavioral pattern of the uh, patient. How is their uh, behavior, how is their attitude, how is their emotions, how is their feeling, how is their thought process, all these things. And when you come to the fourth important sector called transportations, right, easily they can able to go for prepare they can able to identify the schedule, and also they can able to analyze the loading pattern, the capacity level of the transportation service. And finally, in the medicine field, right, they can able to identify the characters, the behavior of the patients also according to their behavior, according to their treatment, what they undergo, or the problems what they have, right? So these are the various areas, right, where a company is using this data mining techniques to extract the hidden information from the data which is available in the company. Right. So this is one of the important things in the data mining techniques. Of course, you understood about what is called data mining and also how it is applied in the various sector. Right. So in next video, we'll discuss about detailed description about what are the different data mining techniques used by the companies. Right. Very detailing in the next video. Right. Thank you.